Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty hanging for any festive occasion or otherwise. Just hang it anywhere, it will add to your home decor. Materials I'm using are, this is a thin golden gota, thin almost like thread. This is a green colored parrot toy made of wood. You can use any toy that you'd like. A thick needle with a big eye. Some rhinestones, white in color. A golden gota. This is about almost a centimeter wide. Glitter foam sheets in green and golden. Some cardboard, so you can use from a carton, and some newspaper. Take some strong glue. You can use a glue gun if you wish. And first I'll just adorn this parrot. So I'll just apply some glue around its neck. And then just stick these studs on it. Like this. So I'll just stick all around. So this is how it will look. Just add a little bit of glitter around its neck. Now take a half a sheet of newspaper and take a pencil. So I'm just going to roll it. Just apply a little glue so that sticks and stays in place. Now just flatten it out. Take the pencil and just roll it again on it. So it depends on you how thick you want the bead to be. Apply some glue at the end. And hold it a while till it sticks. So now just slide it off. So you get this kind of a bead. Now take some gota. Thread the needle with this. Just put it through. Put it through the bead. Like so. When you reach the end, so first just apply some glue. So it will stick like this. Now just put the second layer on top, like so. So this way I'm going to cover the whole thing. So when you reach the last bit, just apply glue. And cut off the extra. So this is the kind of bead you get. So I made others in the same way, like so. Now I've taken a round box, and the parrot, if you put it like this on the 3/4 point, it should be slightly bigger than this. So now I'll just trace this out on the cardboard. So I need 2 of these. And I'll cut these out. I have cut out a smaller circle from each of these, so you get these rings. So I'll just stick this on top of one another. Like so. Now I'm going to wind this gota on this also. So just take a slightly long piece. And as we did for these beads, I'm going to do it the same way. So just apply some glue just to get it started. So this way I'm going to wind around the whole circle. This is how it looks after it's finished. Now I made a stencil, a leaf shape stencil, and I've cut out from the glitter sheets, both of them like this. So these I'm going to stick like they'll come. And then I'll stick the ring on it. So they'll come like this. So just apply some glue. First I'll stick one leaf to the other. Apply glue again on the base and a little bit on the tip. So this is how it looks. So now take one of these beads that we made earlier and take this thin cord. Just put it through tie double knots on it. Like this. Then I'll just measure accordingly and get the same length of thread. So this is what you get. So I'll keep these here. Now I've taken these two beads, one white and one small golden. So first just put the thread through the small bead. Tie double knots on it. Put this bigger bead through and then put this through this parrot. So it sits on the bead like this. And then I'm just going to hang it here on the ring. So it will come like this. I'll just tie the knot on this. So this is how it will look, hang like this. Now I've got this long thread. So I'll just tie a knot here and make this loop like so. So after making the loop also, now just collect all of these together. First just tie a knot. And now I'm just going to tie them here and the gap. Just tie it like this. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A very pretty hanging for any festive occasion.